Hi, good morning everybody. My name is Jefferson. As you know, I advertise the opportunity, the subscription club, the $10 subscription club. But today this goes out to all my followers and the non-followers. For you guys that don't understand the compensation plan. What I'm going to do today, I'm going to illustrate to you what I've written it already out just to save time. So I'm going to give you clarity on what we are talking about. So guys, this is the compensation plan. This is the compensation plan, and it's the easiest form and way of making money, right? So to become a member, we normally talk about the $50 that you need to pay in order for you to be affiliated. So I'm going to break it down for you guys in the most simplest way. Do you guys see here? This is the affiliate amount. To become affiliate, it's $40, which means it's 740 Rand 79 cents. That's in terms of the value of the rand against the dollar. So, and then every month after that, you pay your subscription, which is $10, which comes to in rand 185 Rand 40 cents. Now, this amount together, these two amounts together makes up the $50. That is how we advertise. You see here, $50. It gets for you to 927 Rand 19 cents. This is the rand today up until the, I think, the 5th of May. This is the value of the rand against the dollar. So we advertise it as 950 that you need to pay in order to become an affiliate member. Thereafter, you see, and it's 950 Rand, which includes your first subscription of $10. That's 950. It includes your first month subscription fee for that particular month, which you will decide when you are joining. Thereafter, you pay every month a $10. Every month you pay $10, and that's it. And now you are an affiliate, and now you need to share the information to everybody, your family, your friends, your neighbors, whoever you want to share the information with, you can share it to those people. So here's the brilliant part. In the first week, if you assign 2 people, or if 2 people join you, you as a person, you as an affiliate, you as a member, you get $25 from those 2 people.